Hi, this is Osama Mahmoud. I'm a lecturer in data science and statistics at the Department of Mathematical Sciences. Thanks for the invitation and for giving me this fantastic opportunity to sharing my experiences of teaching data science in the COVID pandemic. I'm really delighted to be with you today. Now, let's go and see what I'd like to cover today. Well, last year I've developed a new module on Introduction to Programming using R to be delivered as part of the new Conversion Masters program within the department. This program by definition doesn't assume any background or knowledge of programming or statistical skills. The students of this program are coming from different backgrounds. Learning programming should be done in an active way. A person is less likely to be a very good swimmer by only watching other people swim, even on the top level of swimming competitions. There are a few well-known obstacles the students usually encounter when they start to learn R programming. These include problems with installation of R program on their own machines, configuration of the program and its dependencies, and other technical issues that they will not be able to analyze the troubleshooting or find the correct solution around it. Students might also find it difficult to get instant feedback when they practice coding on their own in the beginning of their learning, especially when they try to do something differently from what is found in the materials. Teaching such a programming module remotely makes it even worse. Relying on conventional teaching approaches and materials such as PowerPoint slides, exercise sheets, and Zoom meetings will be incapable in achieving excellent learning experiences for our students for the modules that include heavy components of programming. Therefore, I acutely realized that I needed an interactive approach to remotely deliver teaching of my module. My approach included developing a bundle of three main items. Firstly, I've used the chroma key technology to record my lectures. This is a technology that I'm using right now to record this talk. I'm recording myself in the foreground, and in the background there is a green screen that I can key it out in the editing stage to put the slides or the materials, and using that I can interact with these materials and explain any part on the screen that I wish to highlight. I can also use some visual effects and audio effects if needed. Secondly, I've developed and hosted a server for teaching purposes on the university network. This has been given the link data-science. On the top part of my server, I've included relevant links for the home main page, Department of Mathematical Sciences, for the Moodle, and for Contact Us. HoRus is a platform that I've created to be the home of hosting my own online interactive tutorial. All students are given access to this, and once they log in, they will be able to see different tutorials and lab sessions. Let's have a look on an example of them. When we open that, this is a main page for the first tutorial with a link to post a question. If you have a question, you will be able to post it here by clicking on that link. Getting back to the tutorial again, this tutorial can include some videos, as you can see, to show them how to install R. They can watch that.
Go to cloud.r-project.
So this video is an external material that could be embedded within the interactive tutorial. They can carry on with the sections. We'll find illustrations with screenshots about the program with some explanation. They can further carry on with that. Here I'd like to stop a little bit because this is very, very important aspect included in my platform HoRus. This space is the code exercise that will allow students to practice R on the fly. In their tutorial here, they can write the code, edit that, for example, to calculate something like the discount. This is very simple example given to them, and they can view the solution, or this solution can be replaced with hints, and they can run the code and they get the output straight away. They can even submit their answer and they get instant feedback. So all of my tutorials include this kind of R exercise. They can practice coding. I can, for example, write different code here by write wrong answer to the question being given, and when I run the code, it will run and print out the output. But when I submit the answer as a student, I will get very useful feedback instantly, telling me what I have done wrong, and I can have here some tips or solution given by the instructor to guide me through how to correct my coding. So this is very useful in the beginning to start learning R. Here I can embed as well my videos that I have pre-recorded using the chroma key technology that I've explained before.
Hello and welcome to the first lecture of our course on programming and text analytics with R.
So this is an example of including extra materials. We can carry on. We will find some explanations, but this is actually online, of course, with some links to the R scripts or any material that I would like students to install or to download on their machines. Again, more videos, more things, explanations. You can as well include some quiz and questions that the student can answer and get instant feedback about them. This is very useful in reinforce their understanding about the materials. All of these things are hosted on the same place, so it's a single location that have all of that. When the students close the page and then open it again, it will open from the part that they have stopped at, so they can carry on. This is section number 4. They can carry on from where they have stopped previously. I hope you found this brief demonstration useful. I'm looking forward to any questions, feedback, comments you might have. Thank you very much.